who can get the best fidget. Come on, Suri. Come on, Suri.
Okay, I don't think this.
40 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Is it heavy?
Yes. And my last thing is gonna be
The puppet. Ooh.
All the stars traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send. With me tonight, I run away. I run away.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jancy Family.
You know that's not even her talking.
Boy, if you don't get.
Yes.
Say it again, baby. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome back to Jancy Family.
Guys, today we have a big surprise for you guys.
What is it? What is it?
Today we're going to do a challenge.
I love challenge. Me too. All of me.
Bruh.
Let me see your hair, Siri. Come over here. Wow, that's nice.
This I wrote his hair.
Wait. Starry wants to talk. What happened? What happened?
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
To join the Jancy Family.
That's
Ring
right.
the bell.
So today we're gonna be doing a challenge. Who can get the best fidget?
Okay.
You like that challenge? Starry?
I am gonna win.
You're gonna win?
I like the because I always study on them. So I think I know which one is the best.
You think so?
Yeah. I think I know.
You know?
No, George.
But
I
first,
know.
we have to look at the store. How about if they don't have it?
Well, I'm still gonna win. Even though
So she's gonna win. It doesn't matter, right, Mama?
yeah. Well, I can just tell. Do you have any best fidgets? And maybe they're gonna say good.
Hey guys, over here. So we got a basket. I think Siri's gonna be going first. And then George and then Starry.
Okay, we're ready.
You ready?
So you have a minute, okay, Mama?
Remember, you have to get the best fidgets out there, okay?
Okay.
There's a lot of toys here, so I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot here.
Okay, ready, set, go.
You gotta go do it fast, Mama. You gotta do it fast. Wait. Time out. At the end, we're gonna see if they're actually fidgets, okay?
Okay.
Go. What else? Come on, Suri.
Okay, I don't think this.
40 seconds.
I don't think there's anything.
What else? 20 seconds.
No!
And time!
Mind you.
Enough time to get around.
What did you get? You got a bunch.
It looks like only so I have this.
Okay, let's go and show Mom. Let's go. Oh, you know what? We'll take it home and see which one is the best.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go with Mom.
She's so lucky.
What happened?
She got a lot.
Oh.
And then when the time was almost done, I just grabbed one.
Oh my God, you're lucky.
Okay, at the end we're gonna decide if there are actually fidgets or not.
Okay. So
Okay, George next.
we need a basket.
Yeah.
Before the things, close your eyes.
Okay,
Are
George.
you ready for?
Ready?
I found one already.
He's going to
Ready,
run.
I
set,
found one.
go! Oh, he came to the other side. What the heck?
He's fast.
You're super fast.
I don't know what's that. Who's that?
Just put in your basket.
I can
50 seconds, 50 seconds.
Okay, I think. I don't see nothing squishy.
Come on, George. Well, maybe over there at the end. Another one? You already got one of those. Oh yeah, that counts. Here, George, this one counts too. Not George.
Hey, what?
No, not that. What are you doing? Keep going. 20 seconds. Check right here. These are it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's that?
Ooh, let's go. I helped you a lot.
Nope.
And you got a lot that aren't fidgets in there. You know that, right? Is it heavy?
Yes.
Okay, George. First, I think George got a lot that aren't, so we gotta take them out.
Why?
Because those are not fidgets.
Wait.
Okay.
Let's see. So those are it. These ones are it. Is this it?
No, I don't think so. This one not.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Starry, you ready?
Sorry, I think they don't let any.
Starry gets 2 minutes. Ready, set, go!
Oh, fine, one.
Oh, that's where they were.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I can see.
So Starry's getting 2 minutes because everybody took the rest. Oh, I found one, George. No, that's not it.
Here. Okay. Move, guys. Move.
You know what? You guys could help your mom and Starry.
Are they?
I don't know. I don't think so, right?
No, this one's not.
I already know where the fidget's at.
Okay, help your mom.
Show me.
A minute and a half.
Does this count?
No. Hurry, help your mom. Help Starry. 1 minute.
I already have this one. Okay, I already grabbed this one. So this one no. I already have that one.
50 seconds, Starry. 50 seconds.
Little. No, I think this is it.
Look at this, Starry. Look at this. This is a fidget.
Here's a fidget.
Okay.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
That's it, amor.
And time. Too late. That one's not it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Starry, you got a bunch of things, bro.
Starry, we want to win, okay?
No, we are.
I know.
No, we gotta go home and see which ones are the best. And then, based on that, we're gonna see who wins this.
Okay.
Ready, George?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's do it. Hey guys, so we just got home, but we have some bad news. We didn't find any fidgets. They're gone. Just kidding. We did, but this princess, she's really sleepy, so she's gonna be taking a nap right now.
Nope.
I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry. Give me a kiss. Alright, so we're still gonna be opening hers though, and let's get started, guys. We're gonna see who got the best fidget out there, okay?
Oh yeah.
We got a bunch of different ones. I know there's a lot more out there, like a lot more, but we got what they could find. So stay tuned, guys.
I think I'm gonna win. So I am.
Alright guys, so I got all your bags right here with me. I think you guys should do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to show their fidgets first.
Okay.
But you guys do it and then.
Is it all of it?
You three, yeah, you three. Let's see you three, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so Suri, she goes first. Now you two.
Okay, ready? Fine.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh.
You go last. Okay, Suri, your bag is right here. If you need help, your mom's gonna help you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can put it aside. Okay.
Let's see the first one.
The first one is okay.
What is that?
No idea, Suri, what is it?
Oh no! Oh no! I think that's poop. Oh no! Oh, this feels nice.
Oh, a shark.
Let me check. Oh yeah.
They smell like candy.
Smells like a kind of chocolate.
What? Let's do the next Fiji.
Okay.
I love these. Look.
Oh, they get stuck. Look. What the heck?
Yeah, you're right.
All right, next one.
My favorite is the fox. And it's the right color.
Wow, they smell really good.
And we have a pink pig with pink eyes. Pink pig?
Let me see. Let me feel it. Oh, this one feels like the other ones.
Feels good, right?
God.
It's like squishy, but it feels soft right here.
Yeah.
Oh
How about
Okay,
this one?
next one.
yeah. Oh,
What is that?
this one? I don't know, but I think it's a fox. Yeah, it's a fox.
Can you press it?
Oh.
How does it feel? Oh, it has something inside.
It feels like a orbits.
Orbis?
I don't know.
What?
Oh yeah, it feels like.
Okay. Let's see. You know what? I think Siri should take them out. Let's Siri take them out.
Okay, next is this wall.
What is that?
It feels something like wobbly in there, so
Let me see.
I think it's slime.
It has slime inside?
Yeah.
Take it out. How do you take that out? You take it out and then get another one if you have another one.
Okay.
Let's see.
Different collection.
What is next? Oh, is that little dogs?
And I think there's a penguin. I cannot see, and there's a dog.
Take him out. Take him out. Yeah.
And my last thing is gonna be.
The puppet. No way.
Come on, it's super hard.
It's hard?
I
Come
can.
on, let's leave.
Alright, just leave like that then.
Whoa!
Those are little doggies.
Look at the penguin. This
Mm.
is super soft. Yeah, really soft.
Oh my god, I like it.
Wow.
Those smell like a chocolate too.
Which one do you think is the best right now? Sorry, out of all the ones.
All the ones is this one.
I think this like
This one feels so good. It's like this. Wait, like this, but it has slime inside.
Yeah, I think I like this one. And it says Chloe the cat. Oh, hello, Chloe the cat.
Okay, here you go, mama.
Wow.
Ooh, that one's pretty tight too.
I love these things. They are so good. They feel. Maybe pop. They actually pop.
Okay, so this is what Siri got. Now let's go to the next one with George. George, get your bag, my friend. And we have the next contestant.
This contestant is
George. Let's see what he got. What are those? Are those like a sheep, a monkey, and wait, are those fidgets? What the heck is that? Oh, they are.
Oh my god.
The tail is weird.
You know what? I like this one for Starry.
That one for start? Let's do the next one. Next fidget. Let's see.
Oh.
What is that? Is that like a unicorn?
Wait. This is the same panda. Yes, the same panda.
You got the same What the heck?
The same panda.
No, who cheated?
Oh, a unicorn.
No. Oh yeah. Only
think-
this one is the same.
I think the rare one. I think we found a collection.
A collection.
Look at this. Oh,
That's the rare one because it's pretty. What is that? A whale?
yeah.
I like the unicorn. Wow.
Okay, George. Keep it coming, George. What is that? More poop? No way. That one. Those are crazy though. Is that like a monster?
Oh, look at this is a rainbow poopy.
Ew. Is that a fox?
Whoa, a T-Rex poopy, a
T-Rex?
zombie poopy.
What the
And
heck?
this one, I don't know what it is.
Wait, where did you get two of the same ones?
I have no idea.
That's not the red one. Wait, George, did you get the red
But
one?
look at this one.
I think this was the rare one.
It feels
Wait,
super.
Look at the T-Rex.
they have the same smell.
Look at the
Yeah.
T-Rex.
Chocolate. Okay, next one, the rare one. No way. Is that the rare one? Sweet.
Oh no.
Okay, while mom opens that one, let's do a next one, George.
Get another one, Pam, because this one is a little bit hard to open.
Okay.
Is that the rare one?
No, it's surprise.
Let's see. Open the surprise. Open
They
it.
have this one.
Oh, wait, let's try. Okay, let's open it. Oh, the George has a room. Wait, George wants to. Wait,
Guys, have you ever done with this?
I don't know. Those are hard.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very hard.
What is that? Is that the rare one?
It looks like a pink
It's a foxy.
Oh, it smells like chocolate too. Wait, that one goes there. Okay, do you got any more?
Oh.
You got a pink one? I think you should give that one to Starry. Is that like a pig? Is that a pig?
That's a
No, it's a unicorn.
But look at the nose. It looks like a happy face.
unicorn pig? Oh yeah.
So you think it's a
Oh, this
it's
is comfy.
a pig because it has a happy face?
It has a happy face in the middle. That is weird. You got more, George? Keep it coming, bro.
Oh, that one is a fox.
That's a fox.
Definitely. Let me
Pushy, squishy. It's amazing. This one doesn't smell like anything.
If you have stress, just do this.
Oh yeah.
You got any more?
Oh.
What is that?
I can open it. Is that Fiji?
Maybe
No. I don't think that's a
because
fidget.
with your house.
Let's see what we got. What is it?
Oh, what?
What the heck?
Oh, okay, I know how to do this. Look
That's
at
a
this, guys.
spring toy. Ooh. Wait, your mom is an expert.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Wait,
Because
this is
I
a
have-
That's an old fidget?
I think.
What do you mean?
I think.
Well, I'm
this
just
is a
saying, like,
magnet.
Is
This is like a magnet.
is a magnet?
Yeah.
Okay, keep it coming, George. Is that it?
Another size.
Another surprise? Let me see. Ooh, look at this, guys. This one's heavy too. Donuts? No way.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
George must be so lucky. He got a lot of things.
Okay, here's strawberry donut.
Wait, what the heck? We got a bunch of squeezy ones.
Yeah. Oh, it's not.
Donut. Mmm. This one smells like donut. Smell it.
I can put my hand inside. This is a different smells.
I think that's it. I think it's your mom and Starry's turn.
Inside.
What the heck? Okay.
Is there more?
No, it's your mom's turn. Starry's turn. Alright guys, so the last person for this challenge is Starry. Where's Starry? Oh, she's taking a nap. Alright.
Wait. That's
Okay,
the
so we
thing.
have this.
So it's
Oh, what?
So there's two the same, but one difference.
So we already have this one. and
They're
we
the
already
same
have this
ones,
one,
bro.
But we don't have this one. This one is the new one.
Oh, wait, but we got it here in a surprise.
Oh yeah.
So this one came by itself.
Oh, I love it.
This is so.
I think Starry, she's going to love it too. And this one is my
Pop it.
Yeah, this one is like
Wait. I have a question.
what?
Are we sure these things are fidgets?
I'm not sure.
I know that one is a fidget for sure.
An expert, but
You know what?
it's really good.
Comment down below, guys. Let us know if they're actually fidgets. I know for a fact that that one is for sure, and maybe this one because it has slime series,
This one.
I think
yeah, and
I
that
know
one.
These are fidget.
and those two, yeah. But the rest, I don't know.
They're good in our hands.
On our
And oh my god, look at this, guys.
Those are a bunch of them.
We never seen
Look
the
at this.
That's a dog.
Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Look at the face. And then smash it. Squish it. Oh, sorry. Okay, and we have another one here.
Is there more?
Yeah.
It's cute, but why are you smashing the dog if it's a cutie pie?
Wait, this one, I know this one looks the same, guys.
Yeah.
But this one is like full of slime in there.
Okay.
Okay, what's next?
Sorry, but it's Nasa's time. Now it's Star's time, please.
You're not Starry, but okay.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
Oh,
A fox? That's a fox?
That's a
I have no
mouse.
idea, but it's
It's a
super cute.
No way. Wait.
It's a mouse.
Okay, wait.
Is this in
Don't put them together because we're gonna see which one is the best, okay?
Okay, these ones are mine.
I think
okay,
so.
guys?
Okay, so this is George's, and then Surrey over here.
Oh, this one is not mine.
Mine.
Is that it?
And then, no,
What is that? Is this more donuts? Nah, wait.
Oh,
Are there donuts?
Hey, we have to eat.
A chocolate donut, yeah.
okay, in the rest is... Dun, da, da, da.
Is that the super rare one, George?
Wait.
That's the
I
mama.
am gonna eat these donuts forever.
That's the mom right there.
Look at the mom. This one's so cute.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Okay, guys. So the question is, which one is the best fidget? Guys, comment down below if you know which one is the best one.
I have an idea. How about if Suri choose
Her best.
her best, Josh his best, and
Yours, your
I'm
best.
going to choose one.
My best is
That one. The one with slime.
right
Okay.
here. Which one is yours, Pa?
George, pick up yours.
Pick your best.
Which is your best? Only from yours, okay?
only this one.
No,
That's not yours.
yours. You have
From here, George. From yours.
This is mine.
Yeah, and this one is too. This one is yours too.
And this one's.
Okay, now you.
So for me, I think this one because you can spend a lot of time doing this.
Okay.
I have
So
that
this one.
too.
This one. Okay.
Okay, so let's.
So we have this, and this one.
I think I'm gonna vote for this one. I think that one is the best. Cause look at, feel it.
Okay, let me try.
Play with it.
I knew it. I was gonna win. I knew
You're
it.
right.
Yeah, I saw it. There's a hole. There's a hole inside.
Yeah, that's because it has its lime in there.
Oh.
Yeah, I think this one is the best.
Okay, so that one already won because we already voted.
That means I deserve some donuts.
Guys,
So the winner gets to keep all the fidgets. Yeah.
wait, what? No, these ones are Starry's.
Okay. So let us know, guys, which one you think is the best fidget down here.
Both.
I'm gonna eat these donuts.
This one.
And if you guys want us to do a part 2, comment down below. We're down to do a part 2, getting more fidgets because, like I said, we're not sure if all of them are fidgets.
And I really want to do a part 2, part 3, and a lot of parts.
Alright guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like we always say, we'll see you guys next video. Yeah, yeah.